Hello everyone, my name is Amir, and in this short video I will explain one of the common confusion among loads of peoples in the field of machine learning and data scientists, and that confusion among the titles. Actually, in the machine learning and data sciences there are a couple of titles that's been used, and for example, if you look for the jobs, you might get confused while you know what skills you have and what title of job or what title of the domain you actually stands on for the job role. So those job titles are data engineer, data analyst, and data scientist. So these are the three main titles that are used commonly in machine learning, and there's a clear difference among them, and loads of people have failed to understand the difference. So in this short video, I will going to explain a quick the quick difference between among them, and I will try to justify with giving a scenario. So for example, as you can see on the screen, on the real world where it's generating loads of data, for the first step in machine learning pathways that the data is collected and the data gets stored in the database. And once the data is collected and stored, the next part is that we perform cleaning and organize the data. For example, then a missing value, or there is something needs to be improved or perform calculations. There you actually do cleaning and organizing part of the data to make it more ready to go for the further process. And once the data is organized and cleaned, it goes to the exploratory data analysis part. In this part, what happens is we actually visualize the data. We have cleaned the data, and now we form various kind of visualization technique. We use different libraries and tools to visualize the data and make reports and get insight into the data. Once the data is visualized and get insight into the next part we do is perform machine learning models. And once a machine learning model, after performing different adjustments and stuff, when it's ready, it goes to the customer side, for example, in the form of service, dashboard, application, and then the cycle is repeated in this way. So in this whole scenario, the first part you see, once the data is collected and stored, that part comes under the role of data engineer. So data engineer is basically collect and store data. This is the major primary duty. And the second is clean and organize data. So data engineer do both. It collects and store data, and it also do calculations, and it actually makes the data ready to go for the further process. So the first two, collect and store data and clean and organize data, comes under the category of data engineer. So data analyst, what it does, it comes under it does exploratory data analysis and also data analyst clean and organize data as well. So data analyst does both clean and organized data, and it also does an extra part which is exploratory data analysis as well. And the data scientist, what it does, it actually do third and fourth both. So exploratory data analysis performs as well, and also data scientists do machine learning models too. Well, in some companies you would find out the clean and organized data, exploratory data analysis, and machine learning models, all three entities comes under the title of data scientist. So data analyst is always, they do cleaning and organizing data, and they do visualization and exploratory data analysis, while the data scientist could be exploratory data analysis and putting machine models into place, or it can also perform cleaning and organizing data, and so on. So once this part is ready, then the further process those engineers they use into different dashboard service and applications, and the process is repeated. The data is generated again, and its process is repeated to perform different kind of machine learning algorithms. So that's the clear difference among these three entities. I hope you enjoyed and got a clear idea about these three different job titles. Thank you. I'll see you next time.